happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about a button phone from SERVO. We're gonna just check it out because this kind of button phone has something special, and it's all about its kind of hardware. Fascinated me when it comes to its SIM cards. So enough of me talking, let's get started. Woo, there we go. So here we have it. The box has like camouflage kind of look. It's really cool, and I think we're gonna just unbox it and check it out what's so special about this phone, because it seems like this phone has some speciality when it comes to SIM card, and we're gonna just check out how is it useful through its kind of software. It's a button phone, do not expect much, and yeah, let us just get started from this phone. Okay, we're having the phone over here, which it's really great. I'm gonna keep it aside first. What's inside, to be honest? Okay, we're having the charger, which it's a micro, and some paperwork. Let me just get them out, all of them, and we check them out. This is a paperwork written in English and Chinese at the back, which if you have time, just have a look at it. And this is what it is. Dear customer, the battery is covered with insulated tape. Please remove the insulated tape before using. So whenever you get this, you remove this kind of tape. We're gonna check it out. A micro USB cable, which it's great. Wish it could be having a Type-C, but yeah. A device, whoa, seems quite no bad, and says it's a power bank. That's quite interesting. How many milliampere does it have? That's something which I really want to know. It says 1200 milliampere. How comes that now it's a 1200, or what's happening here? Ooh, what's so special? As you can see, it has 4 SIM cards. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. It does not have any slot of memory card actually, so it's just 4 slots of SIM card. So this reminds me of the phones in 2011 to 2012 Chinese phone, which had a lot of SIM cards. There are up to 6 SIM cards on the device back in the days. So we're gonna remove this tape, which they said you just have to remove it so as you can turn it on. The device over here looks really cool, really nice, to be honest. I kind of like that. And these are the menu, so it's really impressive. I can say it has like a torch here at the back. You can turn on the torch and turn off the torch. You guys know that. It has bunch of options. Now, something which surprised me, first of all, it has something called magic sound. Now on the magic sound, you can change your voice whenever anyone calls you to seems to be like a woman, like a man, like a child, like old, like cartoon. Okay, I've changed it to cartoon right now, or young, depending on you what you really need. It's really insane. I remember this kind of mode from back in the day. You have just to troll your voice to sound a little bit different. And you're having calculate over here, that's normal. It has even Bluetooth. It has bunch of options directly through. Does it use the FM without earphones? It seems to be, because it's searching for channels right now. Let's hear if it gets some channels of FM radio here in my country, so as we can see if it's getting. Oh, quite not bad actually. You can just search for different station of radio. That's an old song, man, from back in the days. So I think it's a really cool, because even the speaker is quite not bad. It's decent, you can hear that. Okay, that was really cool, quite not bad for the FM radio. And on this side there's my files, if you set your memory card, but you can check the memory status. I think the phone comes with 162 kilobytes of storage, quite not bad. Even the material wise, quite not bad actually on the device. The device has the body like Nokia Classic, something like that, which gives it a vibe. Yeah, Nokia something classic, 600 series, I think, on the classic side. I don't remember the model that much, but it's just somewhere there. You're having the video section, you can have your option for the video. You're having games, and something surprised me, it has Contra, it has Lolo, it has all those kind of games which you can play from from actually your console, like this one, so you can actually play here. So it's something which is so great, I can say, for this device, because it surprised me. Like, it has Tetris. You can see Tetris here. Just play Tetris, or you can just jump here and check out Contra. Surprised me so much. Like, how did they keep Contra on this device? So it's really insane. You can see there Contra. That's insane. So you can play Contra here, but the only thing I was finding is shooting. How do you shoot now? Yeah, how do you shoot? Oh, how did he do that? Because he jumped. How will I shoot now? Oh, I'm dead. You shoot with 9. Nice. Actually, quite not bad, huh? You can jump with 6 and you shoot with 9. That's insane. This is the SERVO. It's a really nice phone, to be honest. Don't expect much on the camera, because the camera won't do anything. It's just there, but the phone actually has 4 SIM card. That was the most thing I wanted through this device, to see its capability and to see how much usage. This is the SERVO phone, which is a button phone. It's a really cool phone, packed with bunch of features, like games side. It has like Famicom games on here. I don't know these guys how they did it, but they actually did it. Another kind of stuff, it has an FM radio. You just don't need a jack, which is cool. And it has a jack too, if you just prefer to have a jack. And another kind of stuff, it uses the micro USB port for charging it. So it's a very good phone. On the sticker side, don't get twisted, because it says it has a power bank inside, but it's actually 1200 milliamp of battery. I hope it does not blow up, because they said it can charge another device, but no, it's a pretty good lie. But it seems like it can sustain with battery for quite a while on this kind of phone. So it's a really good phone, just if you want to buy a phone which has more SIM card for usage. This SERVO, it's a good one. I hope it does not blow up, because Chinese phone usually blow up like crazy, especially the button phones. And this has reminds me of back in the days in 2010, going this side, like actually 2009, if I'm not mistaken, because I remember there were phones called Matrix. If you guys remember, there were button phones called Matrix. They were really cool. There was a button phone called G-Tide too. It was good. And G-Tide, where is that phone, man? That phone was good, really good on the button side, G-Tide. And another kind of stuff through SERVO, I think it's quite not bad. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, catch you guys on the next tech video, and peace.